is Tom. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia, and this is my third trip to Dubai, and decided that I just had to come and meet her. So I spent Christmas and New Year's, and we wrote for several more months before we decided that we were going to get married, and so we started the process. And here it is, Christmas and New Year's, and we are finally going to go to Atlanta, where we will get married and live happily ever after. I chose the AFA site. I have been a member for 5 or 6 years, and they have always been courteous and helpful in any questions or concerns that I might have had. And I would encourage anyone that's seeking an Asian wife to use this service and to come and enjoy themselves in the Philippines. It's been a great experience, and I have really enjoyed it. My trips have all been fun and exciting, and then I met the woman that I intend to spend the rest of my life with, which makes it even better. So take it from me, this is worth your trip and worth your time to invest the time in coming to meet a wonderful girl. I was on the internet looking for a site that might give me access to some Asian women, and my biggest concern was language. And once I determined that English is a second language in the Philippines, I thought this is the way to go. The service that I used is based in America. I found to be very competent and very helpful, and I have not ever had any problems, and I have been able to talk to them when I had a question or a concern. I would recommend anybody, any man especially, that's looking for a wife, this is the place to come.
Check out our website at. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Then click on the notice bell to get notified every time we add something new.